How to hide Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. Hey everyone, if you want to hide someone on your Instagram post, this is how you do it. First thing first, open up your Instagram application, and then from here, simply tap on the three profile icon and then tap on three lines. So if you don't want to block someone but still want to hide them from your posts or hide your posts from them, you could just go ahead and scroll down until you find this restricted option. Tap on it, and you're gonna have to add someone to restrict. So what it does is if you tap on learn how it works, they won't be able to tag you, mention you, or remix your content, and then they won't see you when you're online or when you've read their messages. The messages will to you will be moved to message request, and only you and they will be able to see their new comments on your reels and posts. And Instagram also won't notify the other person that you've restricted them. So simply search for the profile that you want to restrict and then tap on restrict here, and you should be able to hide your posts from them. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.